it's hard to speak about Jewish identity in a universal way because we all know it's different from person to person. But this particular time is not only have I lived long enough to, and I'm not, I mean, everyone believes that, and should, that their time on earth is unique. So, yes, of course, but layered over that uniqueness of my time span is an acknowledged uniqueness in terms of the planet, of artificial intelligence. I'm sure that people who live when automobiles felt that way, but we all know that in the long look back, this really is a unique time on the planet Earth. So I'm in it. And I really think it's a unique time for Jews as well that I'm in. And that's a chutzpahdik thing to say because of our long history. So how can this 93-year-old Jew say, I lived in a unique... So maybe that's a little much because, I mean, certainly the burning of the Second Temple by the Romans was unique, and the diaspora and all that. But I lived as an American Jew through the Holocaust in America, but still, I lived while that was happening, and I can attest to the fact that Jews didn't hear about it in the United States. Even the Jews who went to shul didn't hear about it. It was unforgivable. But anyway, so I lived through the Holocaust. I lived through the end of World War II and the rise of the middle class. I'm part of that middle class. And I'm telling you, we were able to buy a home. It made all the difference. Even though divorced and split, but whatever, it made a difference. And now, in my 93rd year, oh, by the way, I also live through the reestablishment of the State of Israel in 47, the recognition by Truman and the United Nations. That's fantastic to live through all those things. So I've lived through the establishment of a Jewish nation among nations. And now, it isn't that I haven't lived through anti-Semitism, I have all my life. And now there's a unique form of very layered anti-Semitism. I don't see the whole Jewish world through that at all, but it's a very complicated, layered anti-Semitism that is unique to this period because Israel exists, and also because of communications, the ease of communications, of spreading and stuff. And I am a beneficiary, and I've always been interested in human community. I mean, I graduated in, it's always been like so I'm fascinated by the way communications are used in the most fantastic ways that shape human destiny. We are AI, Snapchat, we're in it. We're in it, and it's so layered and complicated. And the ease of communicating fact and fiction are amazing. And yeah, and I could go on and on about the richness of my life It's been quite a 93-year ride, let me tell you.